In this video, I will be showing you how to create a table number in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and type table number card into the search bar to see what options are available. While there are many great templates, I want to build a custom look, so I'll click Create a blank card in Landscape Orientation to open a new workspace. First, I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for Sage Green to find a soft, textured background. I'll select this watercolor smudge graphic, right-click it, and choose Set Image as Background. To adjust the placement of the texture, I'll go to the Flip menu and flip it vertically. Next, I'll look for a decorative frame or card shape in the Elements library. I'll pick this rounded notch design, change its color to a deeper green, then resize it and center it on the right side of the page. Now, I'll search for a wedding couple illustration to add a romantic touch. I'll select this drawing of a bride and groom from the back, move it to the left side of the canvas, and drag the corners to scale it up so it fills the space elegantly. With the visuals set, I'll add a text box and type the word table. I'll browse through the fonts to find a bold, professional style, then I'll scale it up and position it at the top of my card shape. I'll add one more text box for the number, change the font to a clean style, and make it very large so it stands out as the focal point. Finally, I'll search for Wedding Flower in the Elements tab to add some final detail. I'll pick a white and green floral arrangement that matches my theme and place it over the bottom corner of the card, overlapping the number slightly for a beautiful layered effect. After a few final adjustments to the alignment, my custom table number is ready to print. I hope this helps you create stunning stationery for your special event.